Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. It's a DIY video. It's how to make mask at home from the leftover piece of cloth. ഞാനൊരു ടോപ്പ് സ്റ്റിച്ച് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി ക്ലോത്ത് വാങ്ങിയിരുന്നു. അതിൻ്റെ ബാക്കി ക്ലോത്ത് കൊണ്ടാണ് ഞാനിത് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe my channel and do press the bell icon. So let's get started. I have taken a cloth piece here in a square shape. I have taken it such a way that each side is more than 27 centimeter. Now fold the cloth 2 times like this. Now we have to make an arc of about 13 centimeter from the folded corner. Now we have got a perfect arc. Now we have to cut along this arc using scissors. We have to cut it along the sides, which is the joint sides, like this. Again cut along the joint sides, you get 4 pieces. Identify the right side and the wrong side of the cloth. അതായത് നല്ല ഭാഗം, നല്ല good colors ഉള്ള ഭാഗമാണ് right side. These two are the right sides, so I am keeping it by face to face. It is wrong side on outer sides. Now we have to stitch along the curves. So I have stitched along the curves. Now we have to do the same with second piece. We can turn it. This will be the right side of this cloth. Now we have to keep the 2 pieces in such a way that both the right sides are facing each other. That is, wrong side facing outside. Now we have to stitch along the 3 sides. Leave a gap while stitching the 4th side. So I have stitched the 3 sides fully, and the 4th side I have left a gap there. Through this gap we have to turn it like this. Now we have to stitch to close the gap. mask is almost ready. These are the few things that we can use if elastic is not available. It's a hair tie. We can use this and by stitching here. It's another type of hair tie. Other option is a white thread or a black thread. Here I am using the black thread. If you want, we can make it using the same piece of cloth. For putting the thread, we have to fold and stitch on the both sides, leaving a gap for threading. Now we have to put the thread to the gap. Now we have to cut the threads and tie them. So our mask is ready. Just keep the tied portion inside the gap. So let's wear the mask while stepping out and just make the world corona free. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.